Hello students. In our last class we studied about motion and the types of motion. And today we will see speed, distance and time. We will see what is speed, what is distance and what is the relation between speed, distance and time. So let us start with speed first. What do you understand by speed? Speed is a physical quantity which can be measured. Speed is nothing but the distance traveled by an object in unit time. That means what distance I have traveled in 1 hour or in 1 minute or in 1 second unit time, that would be my speed. So this is a picture of speedometer. It is there in cars and in all the vehicles, two wheelers, etc. It shows the speed of the vehicle, that what distance has been traveled by that vehicle in unit time. So what is the SI unit of speed? It is meter per second. That means how many meter distance has been traveled by the object in 1 second. And the SGS unit is centimeter per second. That means how many centimeter distance has been traveled by that object in 1 second. So thus we see that the formula of speed is distance per time. Distance upon time. The distance traveled by the object divided by unit time is the speed. Now what is distance? Distance is nothing but the measure of the distance, that how far an object has traveled. The measure of how far an object has traveled is the distance. So it shows the actual path covered by the object. And distance is traveled in meters and in kilometers. As you can see in the picture, this turtle is traveling 16 kilometers per hour. This slash is called as per hour. That means in 1 hour. So the turtle is traveling 16 kilometers in 1 hour, while this boy is traveling 32 kilometers in 1 hour. So its speed would be 32 kilometers per hour. This cat is traveling 48 kilometers per hour, and cheetah is the fastest because it is traveling maximum distance in 1 hour, 112 kilometers in 1 hour. So this cheetah's speed is fastest. Now let us take uniform motion and non-uniform motion. When an object travels equal distance in equal intervals of time, the motion is said to be uniform. For example, if we take example of hands of the clock, you know that the hand showing seconds, it takes one full circle of the clock in 1 minute. Okay, so it is covering fixed distance in fixed time. Every time it will take same time to cover same distance. In the same way, the minute's hand will take one full circle to cover the clock in 1 hour. Okay, so it is both the hands are traveling same distance. They are covering same distance in fixed time. Always they are taking the same time to travel the same distance. So their motion is uniform. In the same way, Earth always takes 365 days to take one full revolution around Sun. So the motion of Earth is also uniform motion. Uniform is nothing but same. So it is traveling same distance in same fixed time. Okay, but when an object moves unequal distance in unequal time, for example, a car is moving, then its speed increases, that suddenly it applies brake and stops, and then it starts again and it picks up a fast speed. So this motion is non-uniform because it is traveling unequal distances in equal interval of time. For example, another example, if a cat is moving on a busy street, it will stop in between, sometime it will start running. So this is non-uniform motion, like caterpillar crawling or a bird hopping on the ground. So I hope you understood well about uniform motion and non-uniform motion. Okay students, so thank you.